going on, y'all? Jimmy Malcolm. It's time for episode 9 of season 5 of Sons of Anarchy. Last we saw Jax Corleone lay down the law to Gemma. Going in with the family. You have to get next to Clay and make him reveal his secrets. Oh, so gross, but so awesome at the same time. Too bad for Gemma, but this is exactly what she deserves. I love Jax, but he scares me. This is a lot. Let's get to it.
It might be just a matter of time before the CDCR flag that I'm married to a felon. I should go. Try again.
Shit. I really don't want her to try at all. I know we're trying to save. I just don't need that in my life.
No meds were on a spree.
Yeah, and you shot Lila. Tried to whack me.
Right.
Frankie's made his bed, Jackie.
Look at Chips. He looks scary with that hat.
All in favor of Frankie Diamonds meeting Mr. Mayhem.
Aye.
Yay.
Yeah.
Got something about Eli?
So, how do we make that work?
First, we gotta make sure Clay doesn't get to Frankie before we do. Because he is gonna blow his goddamn head off.
Yeah, well, how do we stop the rest of them from doing that? That work.
Oh, mama! I heard she fucked up, but it's fucking still. Jesus.
I'm afraid the staph might be a precursor to meningitis.
Shit. Okay. Bring him in and order the tests. I'm around if you need me. Thanks.
Oh, Otto, I don't want to see anything happen to her. I know I was PO'd.
Let him stay on the poker club.
Hey, I just had to pass off my goddamn ride. Let me do something useful here, Juice.
Yeah, okay.
Poor Juice. Son's always got trouble, Jesus.
Machetes and grenade launchers, they can spill a few stacks of chips.
We just want Frankie.
You can even keep the cash.
Make a call.
That was easy. Look at Jax flexing. Fucking God.
Restraints?
Mr. Delaney likes to stick shit in people's ears. Be careful.
Jesus.
I'll send someone in to do the blood and CTs.
Thanks.
That was different, though. That was a different situation. At least he's restrained. I feel better about it.
Just like Luann would have done for you.
What's on your wrist?
Don't do this to me.
Closer.
Fuck that!
Need some blood, Otto.
We all thought it was coming. Don't lie. You thought it was coming too. Fucking stole version 2 move.
Okay, well, those somebodies are on their way. Guess what?
Shit.
He's a bad actor. See a Hell's Angel? Soy sauce head? That's the only way I can get in the shot. Stinks. It's a terrible actor. God damn. Clay's hilarious. God damn.
They put this whole nomad shitstorm in motion.
You're a liar.
No, I ain't. We stole a safe. Gave back all that legal shit.
Step away, Juice.
No! Not yet!
Woo!
You piece of shit.
We had it.
Damn. Almost.
You could have cut his fucking finger, stupid.
They're all in here. No one's left.
Uh-huh. Really gonna hang around? Let's go.
All right, this.
Unhook my hand.
Fuck
Just the right.
that.
Please, I'm not going to hurt you.
Oh my God, Tara, don't do this. Don't do this. He's still got grown man strength. Even with one hand, could choke you out.
Come to me.
Sure. Feel free. Shut up, Tara.
I don't think you should.
Just. What?
I just want to feel a woman's hand on me.
Seriously, it's in his head. It's fine. I will agree, it's borderline. It's borderline. But like a big ass borderline. Alright, we got it. He's jerking off. We need to keep seeing it. Poor Otto. He's been through so much for these bums.
Will you pull some cash for Skeeter? I'll be back for Frankie in a bit.
His walk has improved tremendously. Jackson's last few episodes, maybe this season, I don't remember.
The Argonaut is still on the table?
Mm-hmm. Let's take the boys home.
It was very half-assed, I don't know.
I don't know. You got something you want to share? My conscience is clear. That why you set the nomads in motion?
Oh!
If that was a real threat, you wouldn't be lobbing at me as I walk out the door.
I really hope you're as smart as you think you are. I am tired of burning friends.
Me too.
That was silly on Bobby's part, but it made for a cool exchange.
I need to know that what you promised is real.
It's real.
Not from you.
And if you help him get what he needs from Clay, you can have that key back. And the family that goes with it.
It's not where I thought this conversation was gonna go.
No, son. I'm really not.
Oh, mama? I was hoping Gemma was gonna turn him down. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's not really in her nature. She loves those kids. And her kid. And Tara, weirdly.
Not really hungry.
Okay.
Shit.
What's going on?
Do you have to see this? Have you tried the truth? I know the truth is very difficult.
My new friend.
Aww. Jesus.
Lovebirds. 2 on the nose, right? So what's going on?
Jesus. Do you try to pull this off? Do you try to do both?
Sleep for a couple of days.
That's a good idea.
Poor Gemma. I'm liking Gemma again. I don't like this feeling. I knew it. I knew as soon as she smelled it, she would do that.
They cut their own hearts out before they talk to the cops. Phil, the prospects don't know Dick, Clay. Not enough upside for him to rat. Only leaves one guy.
Damn, look at you.
But shooting blanks is all the same.
Oh my God, we're not doing this right now.
This is who we are.
Oh my God. Alright, that was episode 9 of season 5 of Sons of Anarchy. Where to begin before I forget. Jack said Chibs, Tig, and Happy would all cut their hearts out before they whatever. Didn't Chibs try to fucking... They didn't try to, but you consider making a deal in season 2 to fucking the Jimmy O situation, get the club free. Come on, I remember this. Don't do this, Cabelas. I remember. Though, he didn't. It was beautiful. Poor Juice. Fucking Eli! Don't do this. Don't do this! Leave Dummy alone. Oh! He knows about Clay. Could give up Clay? I don't know. Fuck. This whole Tara thing, that felt silly to me. I'm sorry. Maybe it could lead somewhere. It's nowhere positive, but it just felt silly. Like fucking, you get too in love with writing yourself, so you write yourself a scene where fucking Tara rubs herself to you. I feel so bad for Gemma. I was ready to be super proud of Gemma of her taking Jackson's offer and shoving it right across the table and deciding to live a fucking somewhat happy life with Nero, but yeah, she ain't got that kind of strength. That's a shame. Gotta be honest, really glad Frankie Diamonds is gone. Hated his hair, hated his acting. Just go away. Just go away. Yeah, it's felt like a bit of a transitional episode. We still know Clay and Jax are at odds, though nothing was settled here. Only major thing that really happened is that Juice now knows totally what Clay did. Yeah, that was it. And the auto situation getting resolved, kind of, sort of. I don't want to think about where that situation could go. It's just, what? Yeah, it's just so fucking ridiculous. You know, we're gonna chalk it up to her ready to do something with Jax, and then Jax having to go, and she had to find somewhere to relieve herself. So we're gonna reminisce about this fantasy we had fucking 2 hours ago. Whatever. Fucking Juice! Post your comments down below. Like, share, subscribe. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Jimmy Malcolm. It's time for episode 10 of season 5 of Sons of Anarchy. Eli accidentally gave up Juice. Jax is about to kill Juice. At least it looks like. I usually wouldn't say that, but fucking Savage Jax, season 5 Jax is a whole different animal. He's just doing shit. Let's get to it. God, saved his fucking life.
This is bullshit.
Good job, Eli.
She okay? I think her mother was a little bit lost. Yeah. I'm sure she is.
I don't like this at all. I don't like this at all. Not the same kid. It's probably a doll. But, what the fuck's that about?
I didn't tell Jax. He already knew that it was you. I'm sorry. Anything I can do?
Yes, let's get knocked the fuck out.
No, I got it.
Oh, juice. Jesus. Oh, Eli.
I didn't know any better.
Maybe it's time we change a few bylaws.
Amen. He's not really a threat. We watch him. Wait till it settles.
Yeah. And then what?
Then we bring it to the table. Let him hang himself.
Morning.
Yeah, and then
If I can see Otto today, I think he'll change his mind.
Bet he would. So that blood leaves his brain.
do you want to earn your way back in? A pardon.
What does that mean?
It means you do everything I tell you to do.
From his house, but gave Clay back all the legal shit.
You're gonna find those documents, Juice. You help me bring Clay down, or you lose your patch. And I think you know what killing another member gets you.
Okay. I'm in.
Hey, Jax, go! So impressed.
You do know I'm still in therapy. I haven't operated in months.
I also know the prognosis is good.
So she fucking
You're exactly what we want.
punched somebody in the face.
All your focus.
Okay. Thank you. I would take you out to lunch, but I have a hot date with some inmates.
That's right. It was lovely meeting
charming
you
she
in
is.
person.
Where'd Hillary go? Tara. She should take this. But I think she's more Darth Tara than Tara now.
Is Clay here?
No. Haven't seen him since last night. I took care of his.
Find out where he is. Let me know.
Damn. Like she's an agent that works for him. Get to it.
Relax, Jacob. You're my landlord. No one thinks you're here to buy guns. Which, of course, we don't sell.
I need a name for Christ's sake.
And when it's real, you'll get your name.
Hey, Jax flexing. Oh shit, I'm so here for it.
Appreciate it, Mayor. I'll be in touch.
You can tell this by his face. He knew this was an off deal.
Hey, you for juice yet?
No.
Delaney's been complaining about headaches, stiff
It's gonna
neck,
blow right
nausea.
back on him.
I haven't cried that way since I was a kid.
That's good.
Is it?
I'll make my Puerto Rico go away.
What? If?
My mother gave me. It was this ornate gold and silver piece. But I promised she'd give it back to me when I got out.
Oh.
I know that.
I got one RICO case against us. I think Otto might be involved. You hear anything?
Fucking God.
Can I do anything for you on the outside?
I ain't got no more outside.
Damn. Damn. Fucking if Clay fucks this up, as he does fucking everything, God damn it.
Iron out your contract. Ain't that simple. He's my cousin now.
Damn.
Came up.
Oh. Contract's all good now. Jack is a fucking animal.
It's gotta be something we can work out.
Like what, bro? How are we gonna make this right?
Jax.
Yeah, turn it down.
The Grim Bastards have always backed us. Always. Maybe we need to look for a compromise.
Oh, be smart about this. At least you listen to Bobby. I like Clay.
Alright. I'll track him down. I'll let you know.
They're gonna fucking kill him. Or he'll die somehow. And it'll be a whole situation. Yeah.
Hope that saves his soul.
Thanks for coming. Bringing this.
Anything you need, Mom.
I want them to be okay. I don't think Tarzan is going to be completely over it.
Turns out there was this Rico case, right? It's about to come crashing down on all of us. And then all of a sudden, it just went away. On the drugs and the guns, and why he kept me breathing so that Galen can continue to funnel Irish guns your way. One might think you were holding something over his head. Like maybe a Rico case. I think Jax is pushing to kill the Rico leverage you got. If that happens, I go away. And the guns go away, and you go away.
Get with you. Jax goes away. You get the MC back.
Everything stays in place. I ain't gonna make that deal.
Sure you are.
In touch.
The fact that he even thought about it shocked me. Thought about not doing it. I mean, come on, Clay. You know what you want. What the fuck? There's so much stuff happening on this fucking show. And it all revolves around like 3 different things. 12 things happening around 3 different things.
Our mayor is the principal developer.
How convenient.
He's also indebted to me.
Good for you.
I don't know.
Sounds fair. Think if you're on the street.
Just taking your lead, man.
Mm-hmm. There's only one thing standing in the way of our growing partnership.
Tig. Bach!
Oh, yeah. The guy you're looking for. One who killed your friend in County. He's at the boatyard, Canal and Hayward.
Wow.
I run this past my board.
Aww. I think he likes Jax.
It's you.
Yeah. I think he likes Jax. Not enough to let him off the hook. I don't think Jax likes him. I think it's all an act. Sadly. He's never gonna get over that Opie thing. And what fucking Pope played in it. Shouldn't we fucking try something quieter? When we're gonna fucking try to kill somebody?
I need your word, man.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, alright, sure, whatever. Jax cannot go back on his fucking word here. It's a bad look. To everybody. Chibs, Bobby, everybody. I already know he's gonna die somehow. Jax will have lost What the fuck?
What is this? You said you were gonna deliver him. You didn't.
Jesus. More beef. Great.
Who the hell are you?
Seriously. Now Bobby doesn't trust us anymore. Fucking Chips is an animal. God damn. Jesus. I mean, he was there when Opie died too. Bobby wasn't, so I get why he may not be as invested as everybody else is. And he's always been the fucking voice of reason. But Jesus! This is how you look? Just moving shit? Oh, Juice. Juice stinks! Oh, he's about to get caught. I don't want to see this shit! Get us out of here! Let's go! What are you doing?
I don't think I could have gotten through the past month without you. No, I mean it. You reminded me of what being a brother really is.
Literally.
Thanks, man.
Clay can already tell when he's lying. Was nervous. Was holding back. The worst gotta be here. That's so weird. Clay knows something's up. Maybe he's just a sad old man at this stage. This is so gross.
Not here. Let's go home.
Well played. Use the car ride to get yourself fucking...
Put it around my neck. Please, just for a few minutes.
This doesn't feel right. But, I mean...
Bring these to the lab. I'll be back in a few minutes.
What's he gonna do? This prank shit doesn't feel right. This prank shit don't feel right. The fuck is up here?
It's not here.
Let's go, come on.
Bring him back to the guard.
Now he's got a weapon. God.
You know what?
Yeah.
Guard!
What the fuck? Tara's so fucked. She is so fucked. They're gonna find out her connection to Jax. Fucking this thing he's not supposed to have.
What happens when I do? To Clay.
The same thing that happens to you. If you don't find it.
Phew!
You're suddenly struck with a conscience?
No more than you, Sheriff.
Don't compare our guilt.
Hey, brother. Once you cross the line, there is no comparing.
Hmm.
It's just that side of the line.
Damn, that's a good line.
Looks like we got another common goal.
I'm not gonna let this one end up dead in the back of a Ford, you understand?
Okay. I'm open to suggestions.
Poor fucking Tara.
I'm not gonna let that happen. Okay, we're gonna get through this like we do everything else.
That's what scares me the most.
Tara. She don't look like Gemma getting up. Oh my god. That's a piece of garbage. I can't knock it. I can't knock it. It's gross. He's giving up a lot. A lot. Alright, that was episode 10, season 5 of Sons of Anarchy. Where to begin? Poor Juice. It could have been worse. It could have been worse, certainly. You could be dead. There's that. But, he's in a rough spot. He, I want to say he's been manipulated by Clay. Clay certainly manipulated him. But I don't know how much of Clay actually gives a fuck about Juice. I want to say a decent portion. Like if we had to do the, how much of this is just making sure Juice watches his back, kind of bring him closer, and how much of this is him giving a fuck. I want to say 60-40, which is more benefit that I ever give Clay. 60-40 manipulation, I think he cares about it on some level. Though, to be fair, the first time we see them even kind of interact in a loving fashion, loving strong, you know what I mean, is when Chibs is explaining to Clay that Juice is kind of ready to crack, and then he gives him the mayhem patch, and then he hugs him. But that's just to fucking keep them together so we can make these deals happen. He doesn't actually give a fuck about him, at least not on that level. Maybe he does. I don't know. All I know is Clay is going through it too. His emotions are all over the place. And I feel like we're coming towards the end. I can't see him lasting much longer on this show. I feel like his death is imminent, especially if the cartel is going to kind of push him to get rid of Jax on a more permanent level. But Fucking Otto. Fucking Otto. God damn it. That's the one thing I cannot co-sign. How long has he been setting this up? Since he busted his nut? I'm gonna say that's post-nut clarity. I was like, alright, fine, I'll help the club. But I'm taking my pound of flesh, so to speak. God damn, so unnecessary. What a piece of garbage. Ugh. Poor Tara. Poor Tara. My favorite character in the show. Since Dalton's not here, obviously. I don't know where we really go from here, but I do know wherever we have to go is not nice. Let's see how adamant I am. I'm trying to piece things together in my head, but I just cannot. I don't like the fact that Jax keeps lying to people close to him. I get the reason to keep things close to the vest. And, number two, you don't want to keep having these fucking arguments with people. But, they always blow back, and it's never good. We just had a situation where this blew back. Because Juice's dad is black, and you didn't think to fucking rewrite the bylaws by this point. Which I thought was a interesting choice to put in Jax's mouth. And everybody in the club was kind of like, really? That's why? Like, it's no big deal? Now, granted, nobody said it was a big deal except Eli. But Juice certainly thought so. Yeah, we seen him go back because Juice wasn't honest. And whenever anybody's not honest, it blows up in their face. You need to be clear with your lieutenants, sir. Your sergeant at arms and your vice president, at the very least. Jack scares me, and he scares me more than a little bit. Though I must say, I am a fan. He is climbing my top 50 list. I'm going to put a list together. Stahl's on it, certainly. Tara's probably on it. And if Tara's on it, I'm not sure if I have room for Jax. I think he'll make it. Anyway, post your comments down below. Like, share, subscribe,